Paradise, I'm going to do a quick shameless plug for my event. It's called Monterey Swing Fest. Yeah! January 10th through 15. It's absolutely incredible. It's a great event. We do wine tasting. We go out, we do nature hikes. It's a dog-friendly hotel. It's a great little resort that they have. We're going to do something this year called Messy Mondays. We're going to go hang out because it's Martin Luther King Jr. Day. We're going to hang out on the wharf and do some other fun stuff. We're having the Swing Olympics this year, so if you're like, what is that? Just stay tuned. Add me as a friend on Facebook and I'll let you know what it is. All right, so this was our workshop. We did a basic roll in, roll out to a hip catch. Talked about that leader's prep, creating that action of a non-contra body movement to help lead our follows. So we're going 1, 2, rolling in 3 and 4, then sending out on that hip catch 5 and 6. All right, so a few things we need to talk about are spacing. So making sure that leaders are not in this position, we're not too close, and that we're settling into the connection as a follow. So same arm, same leg, and I'm settling into that connection, yeah? Not just one portion of my body. So from this side, I have my basic roll in, roll out, prep, 2, roll in, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Yeah, we're kind of facing them perpendicular to each other, or parallel to each other, because I know what those words mean. And then I'm going to cross the slot here, going perpendicular, is what I was going to say, and then catching my follow. And triple step, anchor step. Yeah, we talked about the follows hanging back on that too, making sure we have that connection before then we send out. Okay, so that's our basic roll in, roll out. I'll do it one more time, we'll do it this way, slotting. So I have my prep, 2, roll in, roll out, hip catch, and triple step, anchor step. We talked about the arms coming straight up for follows, not trying to take out our leaders. Yeah, we don't want that. Then we took this and we made it really cool with the oohs and ahs. So leaders are in charge of the hand. They're going to lift it up a little higher, doing a shoulder or a neck wrap. So I start with my prep, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to offer leader's left hand out in front, and I'm slightly to the side of my follow, not behind and as close. So from here, leaders, we lift that left hand. I'm going to send the follow out into a shoulder catch. Leaders are stepping forward on their right. Follows are filling the space using their right leg. Then we redirect for leaders. Forward gets and walk, walk, anchor step. Follows are doing an and triple step, anchor step, and walk, walk. Oh, you're all good. Triple step. They're resilient. I don't feel them anymore. It's fine. Yeah? So from this side, I go prep, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and walk. Walk, triple step, okay? We talked about that catch, leaders getting there a little sooner and stepping in closer to make sure that they are not allowing the follows to over-rotate and overextend by sliding that hand down, all right? One more time, I'll get it from this angle here. You get the good views, guys? Ready? We're going in 1, 2, roll in, roll out, catch, and walk, walk, triple step. We want to make sure we're exercising good judgment. So if you feel like your follow needs a little bit more time, give the follow more time. If you feel like it's not going well, don't force the action to happen. Yeah? It's a cool variation if and when both parties are having a good time and enjoy what they're doing. Thank you guys so much.